Hi friends! In this video, we learn body parts in English, from easy to hard. Ready? Let's begin.
Mouth,
Mouth,
leg,
leg,
finger,
finger,
ear,
ear,
toe,
toe,
arm,
arm,
hair,
hair, eye,
eye,
teeth,
teeth,
hand,
hand,
foot,
foot,
head,
head,
face,
face,
nose,
nose,
tongue,
tongue,
ankle,
ankle,
neck,
neck,
hip,
hip,
wrist,
wrist,
lips,
lips,
heel,
heel,
palm,
palm,
chin,
chin,
nail,
nail,
forehead,
forehead,
back,
back,
shoulder,
shoulder,
elbow,
elbow,
waist,
waist,
thumb,
thumb,
eyebrow,
eyebrow,
knee,
knee,
eyelash,
eyelash,
chest,
chest,
cheek,
cheek, rib,
rib,
stomach,
stomach,
abdomen,
abdomen,
vein,
vein,
lungs,
lungs,
blood,
blood,
heart,
heart,
skin,
skin,
liver,
liver,
muscle,
muscle,
spine,
spine,
kidney,
kidney,
throat,
throat,
bone,
bone,
brain,
brain,